This time on Motivated Carnage, I'm going to go ahead and replace that wobbly, rattly idler arm under the front end, as well as the wobbly, weirdo steering wheel and steering hub. I've got some parts finally arrived, so we're going to get that rocking and rolling. As well as hopefully paint the windshield trim. I wanted to paint it black. I didn't want it to go back to chrome. A lot of the theme of the truck is purple and black, so I wanted to get that painted, and then we'll get it put back together. So enjoy the episode, and we'll see you soon. Let's go ahead and get started by removing the wheel. Woo! Yeah, this thing is scary. Let me tell you what. Oh yeah, no more wibbly wobbly. Well, it's a little creaky, but no more clockety, clickety, clackety, bang, bong, bing. So I'd say that's pretty good. Job's a good one. No more wiggling the steering wheel anymore. Well, no more wiggling in the front suspension anymore. We haven't put the new steering wheel on yet. All right, well, we got the idler arm replaced, and I got the wheel back on. We'll take it for a little test drive later. Now I'm going to move on to the windshield trim. I already got it painted black, so I'll be installing it here in a second. Well, apparently while I was trying to find the tool, the steering wheel puller, or at least trying to invent one, this guy decided he was taking charge. You in charge, Enzo? Are you the crew chief? Buddy, trying to get the steering wheel off. You helping or not? Okay, come on. Go sit over there.